Hey friends, welcome to Saurabh Pandey TV. And friends, today I am with a very special person in this video friends. बहुत जल्दी पता चल जाएगा. And I'm with a special person because he's a married person. And the first time I'm going to talk and I'm gonna really take the interview of a married person. So बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है मेरा भी और खैर हम प्राइवेट में बात कर रहे थे. So I thought that let's make it public and how can I take him to the people? तो मैं कैसे लेकर आऊँ? So that's why I thought that I really should cover this video to all. ओके सो आफ्टर मैरिज स्पिरिचुअलिटी को लेकर बहुत से क्वेश्चंस थे एंड मेरे स्टूडेंट से भी क्वेश्चन पूछे. सो दैट्स व्हाट आई एम गोइंग टू पुट फॉरवर्ड टू मिस्टर दीपक. उनके सामने रखूंगा कि हाउ कैन समवन इवन आफ्टर गेटिंग मैरिड, कुछ बच्चों को सिन और कुछ गिल्ट के सेंस आते हैं. सो आई वांट टू क्वेश्चन टू आई एम पुटिंग देयर क्वेश्चन टू यू. ओके, हाउ कैन दे लाइक रिमूव दैट सेंस ऑफ गिल्ट लाइक व्हेन एवर देयर मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम क्या हो रहा है कि आज के टाइम यूथ तो शायद शादी करने से बच रहे हैं. दे थिंक दैट द मैरिज इज जस्ट बिकम अ हेल. ओके, ये एक सिन है, एक पाप है एंड लाइक यू दे आर बिलीविंग इन प्रैक्टिसिंग सेलिबेसी. ओके, दे थिंक दैट आफ्टर मैरिज दे कांट प्रैक्टिस spirituality. Okay, so tell my audience about that, Mr. Deepak.
Well, okay, so Saurabh, I say thanks to you.
My pleasure.
For this very interesting chapter which we will clear today. And yes, there are very n numbers of things which are running in youth's mind. Absolutely. That marriage is a guilt. Marriage is a very stupid thing which should not be like, we should not be in the schedule of any human activity.
Yeah.
So they are taking it very lightly and they are यही कहूँगा कि mindset is very wrong.
Yeah.
So मैं पहले सबसे पहले बता दूं, I would like to highlight some bullets for here. Marriage is not the guilt. It's a responsibility. It's a togetherness of families.
Yeah.
It is a decision of a very big whole family.
Absolutely.
And the next topic is spirituality. Being a married man, yes, there are a lot of challenges you have to face many times. I believe you will be facing every day.
Yeah.
Okay. So spirituality is something which is very opposite of being a married
Responsibilities
person's
and all.
responsibilities. Yes. So I would say that spirituality को आप अलग balance रखिए और family की responsibilities को अलग रखिए.
So there's nothing like sin and guilt and all.
Absolutely. You do not have to merge both the things at the same time. If you will try to do the both things at the same time, you won't be able to focus on any one of them. That's why you take it schedule wise. आप schedule बनाइए, early morning में उठिए. If you can't get up early in the morning, make any of the schedule within 24 hours. आपके पास 2 घंटे तो हो सकते हैं. Anybody can contribute at least 2 hours for spirituality. Nobody's asking you तो आप 24 घंटे आप spirituality में busy रहिए. No, it's not like that. वो आप कर भी नहीं पाओ.
And absolutely, yeah.
Nobody can do the spiritual things at least up to for 24 hours. Nobody can do that.
Absolutely, yeah.
And that is, I believe that is necessary भी नहीं है इतना, क्योंकि आपको being a married आपको वो करना पड़ता है.
And I personally believe that really like to sustain the responsibilities of the married life, you should really practice spirituality because it gives you mental strength.
Yes.
Emotionally, you become stronger to
Yes.
face the challenges and ups and downs of married
Yes.
life as well. Yeah. Second thing I would really want to ask you, like you are also like in dealing in the like logistics.
Yep.
So just tell us about like being in business of logistics and you're dealing in corporate.
Yeah.
As far as I have heard from the youngsters and my today's people ask me, like, sir, like, how can we be spiritual when we are in corporate? We have to tell lie, we have to cheat, we have to manipulate the customers,
Yeah.
and on all. Apart from that, we talk about spirituality. Then it means we feel the sense of pretending. We are just pretending to be spiritual.
I got
okay.
it.
So, like, does this happen to you as well?
Yes.
Okay.
It happens with me. And the word you say, the pretending. Yes, it is a very it's a part of corporate sector.
Yeah.
Most of the people sometimes be very pretend with their clients, with their customers.
Absolutely.
And other things. Apart from that, there is a spiritual way.
Yeah.
So I would say that कि अगर आप spiritual का part हैं, you don't need to pretend. You just need to be the bona fide genuine person.
Okay.
spirituality always teaches you कि आप bona fide रहिए, genuine रहिए,
yeah,
the original one रहिए.
yeah.
There is nothing need to be like pretend. आप जो original है वही रहिए. And I would say that yes.
So you mean to just business is a different way.
Business is absolutely in the different way.
But ethics and morality can be learned from the like practicing spirituality.
Yes, absolutely.
So yeah, you can be moral. You can't. Your intention must not be hurting to someone.
Yes.
And cheating to someone.
Yes, absolutely.
Just deal in public and earning profit is not a sin. Am I right?
Absolutely.
This is what you mean to public.
This is what I exactly mean to say that.
Absolutely. Yeah. So every one of you, really, I hope you took a very very important note from this video. And yeah, we would like to conclude. And without any further ado. So let's meet in the next video, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end, and bye bye and take care and lots of love to all of you.